Welcome to Dan's Messy Garage. Today we're going to be trying to diagnose the air conditioning on this 66 Fairlane. I'll explain what's going on. It seems to work when you first start the car in the morning, when the engine's cool. You get about 45-degree air in there, and this fitting stays nice and cold. Compressor works. But as the engine warms up, the air inside goes to 80 to 100 degrees, even though this is cold and the compressor's on. I'll show you gauges here in a minute. I'll start it up. So I figured, well, the heater valve that's in the heater hose, this thing here, maybe is letting hot water go through the heater core and heating up the air inside and not letting it get cold. But when it's running, it's all up to operating temperature now. The hose going to the valve is hot, it's still hot. And this one that comes from the heater core is just warm. I'll start it up and show you gauges. And I also have a thermometer right here. Let's see what it's at now. It's about 80 degrees right now. Car's off. Engine's warmed up. We'll start it up here. Okay, these three lights are hooked to my air conditioning, so I know what's going on. This green one's on the compressor, so if that green one's on, the compressor's running. Ignore those other two, the red and the yellow. I know what they mean, but there's no need to explain it. Green one's important, that one goes right to the compressor. Okay, the air is on. Actually went up warmer than it was. Pressure's still on, engine's warm. It's just not putting out cold air. So what's wrong? Now, is it just that the low side of the compressor is low? I mean, do I just need to add Freon? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, blah, blah, blah. Ring the bell. You know the drill. Bye.